Today's video, we shall be looking at addition and subtraction in sort. The first question says that root 12 plus root 3. Okay, um, the root 12 is simple as saying 4 multiplied by 3 plus root 3, and root 4, or you can go ahead to split this to have root 4 multiplied by root what 3 plus what root 3. Okay, because there's a rule in sort that said if I have something like root AB is same thing as what root A times root what root B. Okay, is a multiplication rule in sort. Now this is a perfect square, so the square root of this is 2. That's 2 root 3 plus what plus root 3. Okay, always consider sort as if there were normal algebra, as in if I say a plus a, you know it will give me what 2a, right? Now I'm having something like 2 root 3 plus root 3. That is, it's like you're saying you're having something like 2a plus what a. Okay, so this will give us 3a, right? So this is something as saying 3 root what 3 root 3. Okay, yeah, that's the answer to the first problem there. Then the next question says the root of root 3 root 2 minus what minus root 18, right? This is something as saying 3 root 2 minus this 18 is something as 9 times 2. Okay, and this will give us 3 root 2 minus root 9. You can go ahead and split it. Root 9 is something as saying 3. Okay, that is 3 root 2, and the minus this is what is 0. Okay, now okay, let's go over to the next question. The next question says that we should subtract 4 root 7 from root this. Okay, now you have to express this in such a way that we are going to have two numbers that can give us this number, and that in that two numbers, one of them should be a sort while the other one should be what a rational number. Okay, if you find it difficult to break this down, simply do something like this. Express this number, you know, as a product of its prime or factors. Okay, if you look at 175, find out that 5 can go into this, 5 can go into you know, this number 17, you know, 3 times, right? It tends to remain 2. Bring the 2 here. Okay, it becomes what 25. 5 in 25 is what? This is 5. So we are having 35 here. Okay, and then 5 can go here 7 times, and then 7 can go here 1 time. Hope it's clear. That means that this is something as saying 25 multiplied by who? By 7. Okay, then minus 4 root 7. Okay, this is a perfect square, right? So you can go ahead and break it down by saying root 25 times root what 7, right? Minus 4 root what 7. Okay, this is 5 here, right? This is 5 times root 7 minus 4 root 7 is 5 root 7, right? Minus 4 root 7. Okay, like I said, always consider sort as if they were what? As if they were algebra. And when we talk about algebra, we're just talking about, you know, oranges, things like oranges. So this is like saying 5x minus 4x. It will give us what? It will give us x. Okay, if you have 5x minus 4x, it will give us x. Now we are having 5 root 7 minus what? 4 root 7. The answer will be equals to what? Will be equals to root 7, right? Okay, the last but not the least that we have there says that 3 right root 28 minus 5 root 63, right, plus 4 root what 117. Okay, If you find it difficult to break this down, just express this as a product of a prime number, right? What we did here, that is how to get those two numbers. Okay, those two numbers, it is a must that one of them should be what? A surd, while the other one should be a rational number. That is a number that can have a square root. Okay, yeah. So this is something as saying, 3, you can do this way, into what? Into root. This is 4 times 7, right? 4 times 7, then minus 5 into what? This is root 9 times 7, right? And then yeah, this is plus 4 into what? Into root what? Root 16 times 7. Okay, yeah. Now a whole of this is 4, so 4 here is, we have 2 here, so 2 times this 4 is 6 root 7, minus this is 3, so 3 times this 4 is 15 root what? Root 7. This is what? This is plus here, this is you can see this is a perfect square, so this is 4, square root of this 4, 4 times this 4 is 16 root what? Root 7. Okay, now we are having what? We are having 6 minus this plus this. Okay, this will give us 6 minus this plus 16 will give us, or will give us 7 root what? 7 root 7. Okay, yes, 7 root 7. So yeah, with this we've been able to come to the end of today's topic, or solutions on salt. Okay, so do well to like and subscribe and share. Thanks.